How to enter Roblox App Store code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can enter the Roblox App Store code. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can add the App Store code to your Roblox application, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. First of all, you need to have the App Store code. After that, you just need to launch your Roblox application onto your mobile device. And after you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see the home screen of the Roblox app. So at the upper side, you can find different options here like search and Roblox here. Just click on this coin icon. And here you will be able to find your balance here. So here you'll be finding this option called tap here to add a star code. Just click on it and you'll be taken to this page. So when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find this option called tap here to add a star code option. Just tap it here, and after that, if you have any star code, just type in it here. After that, click on add and your Roblox store should be added. So therefore, that's how you basically add star code on Roblox application. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.